Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to our NIEBS Home School. This is Marjia Islam, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Now I am going to take a general science class for junior 1. Our lecture number 5 is SW number 5, and our today's topic chapter 3. Our today's topic chapter 3, fill in the blanks, true false, choose the correct answer and question answer. This is our lecture number 5 and our SW number 5. Now chapter 3, living and non-living. The chapter name is living and non-living. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, living things can dash of their own. I repeat, living things can dash of their own. Here, move. The fill in the blanks answer is move. That means living things can move of their own. Number 2, drum is a dash thing. Drum is a dash thing. Answer, non-living. I repeat, drum is a non-living thing. Now, true false. Now, true false. Now, true false. True false number 1, hippo is a non-living thing. This is false. This is false because hippo is a living thing. That's why hippo is a non-living thing. This answer is false. Now number 2, bird is a living thing. We know bird is a living thing. That's why this is true. Now go to the choose the correct answer. Number 1, which one is the living thing? Which one is the living thing? Here our options are number 1, sofa, number 2, sun, number 3, bird. So our question was, which one is the living thing? The answer is bird. The answer is bird. Now number 2, which of these is living thing? Here number A, fish, number B, book, number C, this is drum. Our answer is this one. This is fish because fish is a living thing. Now number 3, which one is non-living thing? Here the first picture is lamp, second picture is butterfly, and third picture is a bird. We know bird is a living thing, butterfly is a living thing. So here this picture is non-living thing. Now go to the question answer. Our question is, write 3 names of living things. Write 3 names of living things. Answer, 3 living things are fish, tree, man. I repeat the answer, 3 living things are fish, tree, man. My dear students, our today's homework number 5. Our homework is 5. Our homework topic is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks plus question answer. This is our homework topic. My dear students, these 2 fill in the blanks and this question answer is our today's homework number 5. So I hope you have understood today's topic. See you again in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.